Hey there, all my viewers. I'm out here to do another video. Today is Tuesday, the last day of June, actually the 30th of June 2020, and it's about 12:05, 12:06 in the afternoon right now. And I'm going to bring you another little test here. And the test is of two things. The test is one thing of what I'm recording this on right now, and that's my GoPro Hero 8. And the other thing is that right there. Yes. If you can see that right there, that's the Insta360R is what this thing is. So what I want to do is I'm going to start from this sign right here, and I'm going to walk down to where those white flowers are down there on the right. That's about 40 something steps I counted. What I'm going to do is both of these are in auto everything 4K 30, and I just want to compare them and see. I'm going to do them. The first test is going to be without stabilization, and the second will be with, and then we'll compare them and see what you think about that. Alright, so stay with me. Okay, so I'm starting off with the GoPro Hero 8 with the stabilization is completely off, and this is on this selfie stick that I just showed you that the Insta One was on. So let's walk down here to these flowers, and again, just so you know, this is without stabilization. We got a little bit of a breeze today. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of an audio test at the same time. So I'm going to switch back and forth between my audio recorder here and the sound on this GoPro in this case. And then when I do the R, then I will do the voice on that as well. And we'll see how that sounds. So we're almost down here, and I'll show you when I get even right there. See those white flowers right there? That's my mark. All right. Now we'll go back and try this with stabilization. Okay, so you can see we're here at the sign. We're going to walk on down here to these flowers. So we're walking down here, and we're going to do this one without stabilization. And again, just like with the GoPro, we're going to test it. I'll go back and forth on this. And it's actually quite windy. I will see what the sound sounds like from going back and forth to the recorder to the camera. Switch back and forth a couple of quick times on this, and just to see how it sounds. So this is going to be the one without stabilization on. All right, and we're down here, and you can see. Okay, this is the GoPro Hero 8 with Hyper Boost on. So let's walk down through here. And again, I'll still do a sound test. I'll flip back and forth, and I'll put on the screen as I go back between the recorder and the camera. As you can see, the sky's kind of nice today. It cleared up finally. And alright, right there we are, back to the white flowers again. Alright, let's do the Insta now. Alright, so now this is the second test with the Insta360 1R. And this will have stabilization that it has built into it. And again, we will go back and forth with the sound between the recorder and this camera. And again, this camera is probably not more than 6 inches or so from my mouth right now, and still on this stick just like the other one. Alright, so here's the end. There's the flowers, and you can see how windy they are. So hopefully we will see how this test goes, and hopefully it goes well. And but you'll know it here pretty much as soon as I do, I guess, because I'll have to edit this first. But one more shot at the mountains, and hopefully you've enjoyed this little test. If so, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share it, and all that good stuff, and look forward to your comments. Alright, tell me what kind of test you'd like to see also on this 1R, because I'm interested in giving it a run for its money with the 4K and the 360. I do have both of them. Alright, see you on the next one.